Is that Joshy's car? Is it? Ah. It's not Mummy's car? Yep. Are you going to get in the car? What's wrong? Something sharp on your foot, is there? Oh. You want me to fix it? No. Okay. It's an aeroplane, Joshy. See the birdies? Yeah.
Tweet, 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 tweet. Oh. Car.
Okay.
Car.
The car isn't right. You want to go in the car? Okay. I'll open up the car for you. Here you go. Up inside the car. This is Mummy's car. No, Daddy's car's in front of Mummy's car. Mhm. You gonna hop up on the seat? Yep. Okay. Here you go. You gonna hop in the seat and I'll close the door?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello? You gonna put on your seatbelt?
No.
You're not? Well, we can't go anywhere if you don't put on your seatbelt. Hello?
Doshy. Look at Doshy. Look at Doshy.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm doing. I'm looking at Joshy.
Look at Doshy.
You want to look? Okay. Say bye-bye to the camera then. Say bye-bye. Give a kiss, and then you can watch it. You don't understand, do you, mate? Okay. Bye-bye.